Hey, so here is my workout of the day, starting to build up again. So it was full upper body workout, took only about little over 1 hour. There was a lot of sets. So here is superset overhead, seated overhead press for 4 sets, and that's doubled with pull-ups, so that you will see soon. And these ones are sometimes a little tricky to go for the correct position, but it's absolutely great movement if you want to train purely on your shoulder strength. If you want to improve on your standing overhead press, these can be great secondary movement, but never do this as the primary movement because it's, you need a lot of body stabilization when you are doing standing up, so it's not good to do only with these ones. And then pull-ups, nothing special, basic pull-ups. Weighted, I do RPT style, reverse pyramid training. So first set was with 35 kilos for 5 reps, and then with 15 kilos for 8 reps and 15 kilos for 8 reps, and then with 5 kilos. So, taking the weight down each set. Then we have incline bench press here. Again, nothing special there. Just remember to keep your shoulder blades down and then press. So that's that. This was paired with, let me remember. This was paired with rows. So barbell, but machine rows. And actually the machine you will see soon, it's probably the best machine I have ever used. I have been in fitness 24/7 and in a lot of gyms, but this is like excellent machine for training your back. And as you can see in this movement, don't be afraid to put your shoulder blades down. That will help you to use more of your mid-back muscles, not only your, wide, what's the word in English, wide back muscles, but also rhomboids and middle back muscles. It's excellent for that one. And when you are done and you are very tired, don't stop, continue. You can, just do with your shoulders. You can continue with your middle back, as you can see I'm doing here. So yeah, this excellent movement for pairing. And then I have this super long, not even superset, it's mega set, because I don't have too much time in the gym, so we need to, speed things up. So first was incline bicep curls, and yeah, excellent movement. And actually, when you are doing these small movements, you can do 5 of them a row. It should not affect your lungs. You should be fine pushing each set to the failure. It's different when you are doing big movements like bench press or squat. You cannot really do them to the failure and doing them back to back. You need some break, but these are perfectly fine. And then incline tricep extensions, same thing. Go to deep stretch and then come up. Anyways, I was about to say, so if you feel like your lungs are giving up on you with these movements, you should really train your endurance capacity more, because doing these movements should not affect your lungs at all. The next movement here, again back to back, I just took some time to pick up the dumbbell, is incline dumbbell shoulder flies, not flies, what's the word again? Anyways, incline shoulder dumbbell flying, something. Again, excellent movement, because when you are normally doing your shoulder movements like this, when you're doing them in standing up, there is not any weight at all in the bottom of your rep. So when you're doing it like this, you get actually some weight for the bottom position. So it's excellent for that. And then, you know, turning around, doing the same thing to the other side. And then the last exercise is a little bit, no, actually this is second to last. There was many sets, like I said. Back of your shoulders, back to back. And then the last exercise was your, what's the, you know, rotator cuffs. So these do for 3 sets, 3 rounds, that's perfectly fine. And then you are done. Lot of exercises in 1 hour, lot of sets, good volume, try it.